National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following regions: Cuyahoga County, Summit County, and Portage County, from 11:43 p.m. on August 14, 2011, until 3:57 a.m. on August 15, 2011. A severe thunderstorm is occurring over Cuyahoga, Portage, and Summit counties. This storm has damaging straight-line winds at over 60 miles per hour, intense thunder and lightning, and a developing counter-rotation over Independence. This counter-rotation may develop into a tornado. At this time, you should seek out shelter in case a tornado should develop, and stay tuned to local television, cable, radio, and media outlets for more information.